in my backyard. Not so long ago, I watched time spin around on my wrist, but now time goes as slow or as fast as the fish biting on my line. Wildflowers grow, and I think they know that their sons and daughters will appear here next year once again. They'll be here next year once again. I lose track of days, I lose track of weeks, watering my potatoes and my leeks from the creek. I watch the birds swoop down